Welcome back to Awesome Keurig Recipes. Today we got a new recipe, springtime going into summer. So for all you coffee lovers, iced coffee lovers, we're going to be reviewing the Twix Coffee Recipe. So the first thing you need to do is subscribe to the channel so you're notified when these recipes drop that you can make in your Keurig. So first off, we need the Twix Coffee right here. You can either try it with the bag or the K-Cups if you can find it. Next, you will definitely need your Twix Zero Sugar Coffee Mate Coffee Creamer. Alright, so we go to the coffee in the back for the Twix. This is what's in it. And I also have the Keurig filter. If you're wondering how I'm going to get it inside the Keurig, fill it up with this. And then you're good to go, and it actually makes it more stronger and better taste than the actual Keurig pods, because you can put how much coffee you want to put in this reusable pod here. All right, so here's the ingredients for the back, if you want to know, right there, for the Twix creamer. And you will also need this caramel pecan skinny girl syrup, or if you can find another one, that's okay, but I also find out this is better. So first thing we want to do is fill the Twix coffee up in your K-Pod, or if you already have it, you can go ahead and put it in the machine. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Okay, so we filled it up right there. That's what it looks like, and it definitely smells like a caramel or some type of definitely Twix candy. You know, I've tried several other ones on this channel. If you haven't seen them, you can check the video for the Snickers and the M&Ms. So that's how it looks. Go ahead and close that up, and we'll go ahead and put it in the machine right here to get ready to brew. Right there. Push it down. Then we're going to set it to strong. 8 ounces is recommended. Unless you really fill it to the top, then you may be able to squeeze 10 ounces out of there, and it won't dilute the coffee. So next we have to fill our cup up with the syrup. So let's go ahead and fill our cup up with the syrup. Okay, so we went ahead and put the caramel pecan syrup here. And we go ahead and put the cup right here as it's ready to brew. So like I said, we go ahead and brew it on 8 ounces. That way you still have that strong coffee taste. Otherwise it will have a more of a sweet candy taste. We want to have that good coffee blend as well as the Twix. All right, we brew it on strong right there. If you guys aren't subscribed, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel as this is brewing, so you can be alerted when the recipes drop. And if you want to share your recipes in the comments, let me know if you tried some of these and if you worked it out with a different recipe. We know Twix have caramel, as you can see right there, so it makes sense to have the caramel pecan as well as like the Snickers one as well. So definitely good recipes with this. So that was a good licensing idea to get these candy brands in coffee, but those who don't like it sweet and just want it straight, still has a good aroma coming out of it. As you can see, this is how it looks as it's brewing. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let this brew, and then we'll go ahead and add our creamer. Be right back. Okay, so it stopped brewing. So next what we want to do is go ahead and give this a good shake. Make sure it's not clumped up. Get the top off, and let's go ahead and watch this go ahead and mix in. And of course you can do a desired to taste. I don't do a teaspoon. I just try to go, as you can see, it starts to combine with the coffee like it's doing. Yeah, see, that's what you want right there, whereas the coffee is still strong enough and the creamer is starting to blend with it. Okay, so again, if you like it hot, you can go ahead and put your lid on, or drink it, or get a coffee cup, coffee mug, good to go. But I found out this tastes good hot, but it's definitely better iced if you like flavored iced coffee. So let's go ahead Let this cool down, then we go ahead and get our ice in there. Shake it up and let you see what it looks like. Alright guys, so we went on ahead and cooled the coffee down a little bit so it won't dilute the coffee taste with too much ice. Now we refilled it with ice. Now my tumbler is filled, and this is how you make Twix iced coffee at home, hot or cold. Thank you guys for watching, supporting the channel, and I'll catch you on the next coffee recipe video.